Hi friends, my name is Mojesh. So yesterday we discussed about ratios and proportion concept for problems on coins. Now we will discuss about concept of income, savings and expenditure. Very important concept for competitive examination. So first we will read the question and I will explain the concept while explaining the question. Okay, the ratio of monthly incomes of A and B is 11 is to 13 and the ratio of their expenditure is 9 is to 11. If both saves 4,000 per month, find the difference in their income. So firstly we have a basic formula that is income is equal to savings plus income is equal to savings plus expenditure. Saving plus expenditure. That's the basic formula we have to remember savings plus expenditure. So in the question they are given A is to B. So A is to B is equal to 11 is to 13. Can you tell me what 11 is to 13? Which ratio? It is monthly income ratio. Income ratio. And can you tell me another ratio? What the given question is expenditure ratio. Expenditure ratio is 9 is to 11. 9 is to 11. And another question is if both says 4,000 per month. The savings of A and B is 4,000. Savings of A comma B is in the given question is 4,000 rupees. 4,000 per month. Find the difference in their incomes. So the given savings, can we know the savings formula from this? Income is equal to saving plus expenditure. That means savings is equal to income minus expenditure. Here is go. We have income, we have expenditure. Tell me the parts. 13 minus 11 is two parts. 11 minus 9 is two parts. That means two parts is equal to 4,000. Two parts is equal to 4,000. Can I find a single part? One part is equal to 2,000 rupees. One part is equal to 2,000 rupees. Very simple. So in the question they're asking about the find the difference in their incomes. So one part is equal to 2,000. So in question they're asking about difference in their income. What is the difference in their income? 11 to 13. How many parts? Two parts. If one part is equal to 2,000, then two parts is equal to 2 into 2,000. That is 4,000 rupees. So 2 into 2,000 is 4,000. So 4,000 is the correct answer of the difference in their income. Firstly, we have to write A is to B, income ratio, expenditure ratio is 9 is to 11. They clearly that the difference is two parts. The savings of A and B is 4,000 rupees. If A, B is 4,000 rupees, then we have two parts is 4,000, then one part is equal to 2,000. They're asking about the difference of their incomes. In difference of the income is two parts. One part is 2,000, then two parts becomes 4,000. Very simple question. We'll solve it. And coming to going to second question, it's very easy. The income of A and B is 5 is to 3. The expenditure. So we will write the given ratio. I will not write formula again, guys. So very simple. Income is equal to expenditure plus savings. See, A is to B. The income ratio of A into A is to B is 5 is to 3. So 5 is to 3 is the income ratio. Put it as income. Okay. And the expenditure ratio is right. Expenditure ratio of A is to B is to C also. So A is to B. One more number. C. Expenditure ratio. Expenditure ratio is 8 is to 5 is to 2. 8 is to 5 is to 2. If C spends 2,000, the spending means expenditure now. Means expenditure of C is 2,000 rupees and B saves 2,000 rupees. So this is the savings of B. B is equal to 700 rupees. In the question, what they're asking, guys? A is savings. Savings of A. What is the formula for saving A? Is the income of A minus expenditure of A. Expenditure of A. So let's find the income of A and expenditure of A. So for finding expenditure, we have a some clue is given that expenditure of C is 2,000 rupees. Tell me if two parts is equal to 2,000 rupees, can you tell me the one part? If two parts is equal to 2,000 rupees, can you tell me the one part? One part is equal to 1,000 rupees. One part is equal to 1,000 rupees. So from this question, can I find expenditure of A? Definitely. Expenditure of A is 8 parts. That means expenditure of A is equal to expenditure of A is equal to 8 parts into 1000 rupees, that is 8000. Yes. But for finding the income of A, we should know another thing. So we shouldn't have any clue in this question. But we have a small clue, guys. That is savings of B is 700. If savings of B is 700, can I find of income? So savings of B is 700. Can I find income? Yes, we can find income by means because we have savings of B and we have expenditure of B. What is the expenditure of B, guys? Expenditure of B is 5 parts. Each part is 1000 rupees. That means 5 into 1000 will give rise to 5000 rupees. Yes. From this, can I find the income of B? Very simple. What is the income of B? Income of B is equal to savings of B plus expenditure of B. Is it right? Yes. What is the savings of B? Savings of B plus expense. Savings means we can write the expenditure and we can write what is the savings of B in the question. In the question, savings of B is clearly mentioned as 700 rupees plus. Now only just calculate. We calculate of expenditure of B. Expenditure of B is 5000. So totally how much, guys? 5700. So 5700 is the income of B. Can you tell me the how many parts are there? Income here you have 3 parts. So 3 parts become 5500. Can I find it one part? Very simple. See, 3 parts is equal to how much? 3 parts is equal to 5700. So can I find one part? Very easy. 3 ones. About 27 is 3 19s are. So 390 57 1900. Therefore, one part is equal to 1900. One part is equal to 1900. So we didn't. So we find the one part, but our main question is to find what income of A. Income of A is how many parts, guys? 5 parts. So very simple. Income is 5 parts. That means one part is 1900. So 5 parts is equal to how much? 5 parts is equal to 5 into 1900. 5 into 1900 gives rise to 9500. So we get what we get? We get income of A. So substitute that we have income of A and we have expenditure of A. We have income of A and we have expenditure of A. The in the question what they're asking, guys, finds A savings. Should find saving. What is the saving formula, guys? Saving formula is equal to income minus expenditure. That's it. We get income as 9500 minus we get expenditure as 8000. So what is the final answer, guys? 1500. So 1500 is the saving of A. This is the correct answer. We should remember. So option B is correct. Very simple question, guys. We should take incomes of A is to B and we could take expenditure of A is to B, so 8 is to 5 is to D. So by giving hints, please follow these hints carefully what they are giving. We can find SA is equal to income of A minus expenditure of A to find. I find expenditure A by giving the clue expenditure of C 2000. I find income of A by giving a clue that savings of B is equal to 700. From this, I calculated one by one. So I get expenditure of A and I get income of A. By two of this, I calculated savings of A. So this is the process. So practice more problems on this is just a review of all the questions in income saving experience. There are so many problems. I will pin it. So please practice carefully. Most important concept in competitive examination. See you soon. We'll come back with concept 6. Thank you.